Hello friends, I welcome you all to the Creative Thinkers Hub channel. Today we are going to be showcasing different other company logos which are already existing in the market and how they have gone into a thought process and how the creation is done. So saying that, let's get on to it. This is Alpha Studios. Alpha Studios was a logo designed by me, which basically in the logo, in the F and O, I have tried to incorporate the film line of it, and the remaining structure is done this way because it was a very big studio. Then this is Beats. We all know about Beats. It's an headphone company, and therefore the B making the line over there, and the face, the circle makes the face. So irrespective of it being a male or a female, they have symbolized it as a circle, and the B being the headphone. That same font they have followed all throughout, even in the text. So then this is Gillette. Gillette, as you can see, is as we all know, is a blade company, and the sharp edges in the G and I show how good the blades are. So that is what they are trying to get here. Then is IBM. IBM basically is an technology company and was of the bygone era where only blue or green screens used to be there, and they never used to be as smooth as the screens today. They used to have lines, and therefore the lines are there. Then in this particular thing, as you can see, the lines also subliminally make equal to signs everywhere. So these equal to signs basically symbolize equality in the and promoted equality, and that was their motto. Then the next is Scantech. Scantech is basically a biometric company, and this logo was designed by me, saying that the red is the symbol of the scanner where the fingerprint is there on top, and it says protect your identity, protect yourself. YO is now as we all know, is a technology company, and therefore the waveform and the 1 and the 0 also come in. So that is where the dot is just a symbol creating the VAIO. Then is Apple. Apple is as we all know, is a high-tech company, and the apple on its own as a fruit is of the Adam and Eve era. So here the logo is trying to symbolize that we have taken a bite of the tree of knowledge, and that we want to move ahead and we want to gather from there and take it further. So that's the taking of Apple. Then is Adidas. Adidas, as you can see, is a mountain that they have tried to symbolize here, but they have used it in a very stylized way, where they have kept these gaps in the middle which show that these steps and the shortfalls that an athlete has to follow to move ahead in life. This also shows upward movement and the steps that the athlete have to take from one step to the other to move ahead. Then is Amazon. Amazon on its own is A to Z. So they are saying we have everything from A to Z. The smiley represents that they keep you happy. It gives you it's a dimple that is created even on the side, and it's the Z is also showing that it is flexible in nature, and therefore everything is accepted. Then this is Atlas. Atlas is also designed in a similar way of IBM, but the whole thing is very different, because Atlas over here is trying to show the world, the globe, and therefore the A is also the A of the Atlas is shown in a stylized way, because they are into testing and surveyors. So that is how Atlas is done. Then Audi. Very few people know that Audi is a company that was formed by 4 different people and had included 4 different verticals in it, and therefore the tire type symbolization of the whole thing is what they are trying to get over here, where it's a car company, and that's what they're trying to portray. Then Baskin Robbins, as we all know, has 31 flavors and 31 ice creams. So that is what they are trying to show over here, that we have 31. It's written in a very stylized way in the B and R, and the Baskin Robbins font is a very playful font, which is showing the fun that you would have after eating. This is the Bavarian Motor Works, the also known as the BMW. Here, this company is basically, this logo is taken from the Roff Motor Works company, and is trying to showcase a turbine, and these are the wings of the turbine. So that's how this logo is made. This is cross country infrastructure. They used to specialize in selling hills and hills of area where, kind of, where you are trying to show that, you're talking about the greenery, the grass, the birds, and that kind of things. And therefore the logo, the bird with the eye, the CCI, the eye also is incorporated in the logo. The Deals for All was a company that used to work with male and female kind of IT related sting, and therefore the pink for females and blue for males. FedEx, we all know, is an transport company, and therefore the arrow that is showing over here shows movement and Federal Express. So that is how FedEx is taken into account. So that is the thing, and therefore the two colors also come in. This is the Hope for Africa logo. This over here we are trying to show the map of Africa, but if you look closely, you will also see a face of the child and the face of the mother coming in, where you can very easily adopt African children to and take them home, and get them to a better life. And so then this is the LG company, where we all know that this is the face, this is the eye, nose and mouth. So this is what LG symbolizes graphically. This is more or less, this is a company that used to work with cash and carry, and therefore the logo. This particular thing is multiplies, where we are talking about investment services, and there is a huge line outside, so it's showing growth and people lining up. This is my fonts. As you can see, if you look at it with half closed eyes, you will see that the word my is made up with a hand, and therefore any font that you touch on, you can think and you can get it in this particular thing. So it's a subliminal way of showing that in my fonts you'll get everything. This is NBC. NBC is basically a news company that has got 6 different verticals, and this thing has been done because they have got 6 partners. The peacock on its own is a very colorful animal, and that's the reason why they have used the peacock. The feathers show the 6 verticals that they are basically doing, and therefore this also company has basically come from a black and white era to a color era, and therefore all the different colors for the feathers. So that is what NBC is. Then is Spartan Golf Club. This particular company, as you can see, is into golf. So this is the swing of the golf, and if you look at it again with half closed eyes, you will also see the face of a Spartan warrior. So that is what Spartan Golf Club symbolizes. Then this is Sun Microsystems. If you look at it, SUN, 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 SUN. So this is what the whole logo is made up of, and the U and the N are clubbed in a very stylized way to make S's all throughout and make the complete logo. Toblerone is a chocolate company that has got chocolates, and the manufacturing unit is in the hills, and that is the reason why they have got a bear, if you look at it very closely, as the logo, because the bear is very heavily found in that region. So that's the reason. This is Les Tour de France. Over here, if you can see, the cyclist is also present in the logo itself. So that means that this is a cycling thing, and the yellow thing shows, the yellow symbol shows that this is only during the race takes place only during the day and not at night. So this is about Les Tour de France. Then this is Unilever. Unilever, as we all know, has a huge array of products, and that is what you're trying to show, that we have products for lips, we have recyclable products, we have got products that are honey related, we have got products for the hands, product for the babies. So they all these symbols now, they are kind of gathered into just making the U of Unilever. So that is what we are going to that is what we are showing here, and it is extremely important to even know that what each and every logo symbolizes. Thank you.